welcome back and welcome back to our picnic.
Please.
Full picnic हो रहा है. Actually मैं तो कहती you should just kept sitting there. It was looking so natural.
Yeah, we don't mind. We will sit down.
Yeah. अब डायरेक्टर साहब हमारे पागल
मारेंगे उठ जाए वापस.
बट यही होता है ना कि स्पेशली इन एक्टिंग वगैरह सडनली थोड़ी सी मूवमेंट चेंज होती है. क्या कर दिया आपने?
ब्लॉकिंग खराब कर दी.
Have you ever come across that जब you're acting with another actor and जैसे आप मेरी लाइट के सामने आ गई?
कमर्शियल्स में होता है.
I'm not even talk shows.
आप मेरी लाइट काट. And you know, they say very sweet. आप मेरी लाइट काट रही, but you feel horrible. You're like,
Yeah, actually the first time
And
that happened to
they'll
me.
say-
no, but I'll tell you what I did.
Because that was for us when हम जब आए थे टेलीविजन में वो हमारे लिए डायरेक्टर का कॉल था. You know, it was never an actor's call.
अच्छा, the entire blocking, like you everything.
Yeah, everything. And if I am blocking the light, तो वो डायरेक्टर की कॉल है कि अगर वो उसको बॉदर करी तो वो कहेगा कि जी कट मरीना आपकी पोजीशनिंग यहाँ होनी चाहिए थी यहाँ. जब पहली दफा किसी एक्टर ने मुझे कहा मैं तो हिल गई.
Yeah, it's very traumatizing. You feel के you know एकदम से के oh my god, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to.
But apparently it's a big thing.
It is, but you know what I did? We were recently shooting for a commercial, Maya and I, and I was with Fawad. And there's a step जहाँ पे हम दोनों end से आते हैं और screen पे आते हैं, and then we do this little step. And I don't know क्या हुआ वो बहुत ये तो I think it was the third or fourth take or something, and I think I was a little tired or I don't know what happened. But बड़े जोश से I came in and I did this step and I just pushed Fawad off. So there's just me dancing in the frame. Or
She wanted the best light to do.
all the light. You got me there.
She's an actress. Remember that.
और सब लोग कह रहे हैं अच्छा Annie, you just wanted to be in the frame. And I'm like no, I swear I didn't. उसके बाद I felt so guilty. But what was done was done.
But I think that's it's a natural thing. You know, things happen. Right? But you do, you know, because ये इतने हम लोग conscious हो गए ना कि किसका ज़्यादा वो air time हो रहा है, किसका ये हो रहा है. Yeah, you just go. I mean, of course, acting is a serious job, but you have to have fun with it. Sophia is on the line with us. Sophia, please join the picnic. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
कैसी हैं आप?
बिल्कुल ठीक, and I can't believe I'm talking to Marina Khan.
Believe it! I can't believe I'm talking to Sophia. Who is Sophia?
Now that I used to love during my college days, my goodness.
Thank you.
You are going. It's depressing.
Yes.
Really depressing. But fine. Like, you must go on with your plans.
Thank you.
And but thank you so very much for showing us little but really positive things about my country.
Oh, Sophia, thank you so much. I think that's a beautiful compliment. I will cherish that.
I met so many people through your show. They are very small, working in their own capacity, but still contributing so positively towards the society.
Absolutely. And I think
thank you so very much. And I hope whosoever is going to take over will continue this.
Absolutely, ये मेरी guarantee है.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sophia.
मैंने ये देखा कि लोग पाकिस्तान के बारे में सोचते हैं.
नहीं बहुत सोचते हैं. सोफिया, एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम हमारी ये हो गई कि हम लोग आई थिंक एक साइकिल में फंस गए जहाँ सोचने वाले बहुत हैं, बिलीव मी, लेकिन प्रोजेक्ट करने वाले कम हैं. ये सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. आई थिंक वी नीड टू प्रोजेक्ट इट मच मोर.
यू नो मरीना, प्रोजेक्ट भी करते हैं, कितनी मेहनत से करते हैं, फिर politicians उसको वहीं पानी फेर देते हैं.
Exactly. That's our problem. I think that's our problem. But Sophia, I really appreciate the fact because हम लोग यही कहते हैं ना कि हम काम करते हैं, पता नहीं कोई सुन रहा है, कोई देख रहा है, कोई. So it's lovely to know that one is appreciated. I think it's a fantastic
and thank you so very much. Best of luck.
Well, thank you for watching and thank you for being a regular viewer.
I'm a regular watcher. Actually, I regularly watch your show during my vacations. I'm a teacher actually.
Zabardast. Well, there you go. Another person who's contributing to our society.
Yes, I am definitely.
Well, Sophia, have a good life.
Thank you.
Take care. Hi, डायरेक्टर साहब कह रहे हैं emails. आपने मुझे
चलिए न्यूज़ फ्लैश.
हाँ, न्यूज़ फ्लैश.
Am I going first?
Yeah, with the of course.
Good morning. This is the second round of emails. And this is Seema. Hi. It actually says this is Seema. Hi.
Okay.
I have heard that your program is going to end. Is it true? Yes. Please reply. And why are you doing so?
Rumors of the rich and famous.
Seema, yes, program is going to end. Moving on. I don't know whether it's going to be a better platform or what are good. लेकिन ये है कि there is certain जिसे कहते हैं ना अंदर थोड़ी सी ख्वाहिश आते हैं जो I love directing and I think I wanted to get back into that. जैसे मैंने कल भी कहा था मैंने अपने घर को वापस अपने हाथ में repossess करना है. I want to spend more time at home. And I think again, always they say ना कि आप उसी वक्त quit करें when you're ahead. And I think I'm ahead.
You are.
So इससे पहले कि आप लोग कंकर मार के जाते ही नहीं तो
Exactly. It's
जाओ.
better
ऑस्कर इनका हुआ.
Timing.
जी.
No, but am I next again?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well,
No, you, right?
okay.
Come on,
Okay,
guys.
okay.
I mean,
Okay, fine. Assalamu alaikum. It's me, Saima Bhojani from Angola, Africa.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay. I just want the team of Marina Mornings to please stop Marina from going. She should not go. Okay? I know she is also very sad from the heart, but not showing her feelings.
You're right.
Lock the gates.
Okay, well मैंने तो अभी ये शो देखना स्टार्ट किया था and I was enjoying a lot क्योंकि इसमें मेरे favorite actress मरीना थी. But अब वो जा रही हैं तो पता नहीं I will continue watching this program or not.
No, do continue because platform बहुत अच्छा है and ये मेरी guarantee है कि the person who's going to be taking over, whoever that person is going to continue with the same to bring the humor or the seriousness of life as well as the glamour and the fun of life. ये मेरी guarantee, so don't stop watching.
And legacy.
Continue
exactly.
होगी. Well, I just want कि मरीना नहीं जाए. तुसी ना जाओ.
Love that.
तुसी ना जाओ मरीना. Please मरीना मत जाओ. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Saima.
Well, Saima, I love it. I think it's very, very heartwarming that thank you very much for the thoughts. लेकिन maybe you'll see a drama and you'll say कि हाँ Marina should have been doing this.
Absolutely.
यही करना चाहिए.
Can't wait for that.
Hopefully.
Do you want to say the PS member?
Oh yes, sorry. You'll have to say that.
Tamkeen Peezada.
Yes, you are.
I am sorry. I read the PS much later.
Sorry, but thank you so much still.
Dear Marina, this is
इधर
Dr.
PS पहले पढ़ लो.
यहाँ पे नहीं था. Dear Marina, this is Dr. Sophia. I am a regular viewer of your show. It is a good effort. I am a university teacher and want to protest through your show about the injustice. The government has announced 20% increase in the pays of employees, but not for the university teachers. Why?
Really?
Yes, that's true.
We are not government servants. It seems that we are not human beings and citizens of Pakistan. Inflation is not affecting us. Please say something about this unjust decision of government or call some authority person as guest to answer this. Your show has a great viewership, so I want you to say something about this. Regards, Dr. Sophia.
Well, Dr. Sophia, I think I didn't know that because जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया था मैं तो अखबार नहीं पढ़ती because I want to stay in हम break पे जा रहे हैं? अच्छा sorry वो कोई और बातें हो रही थी भी. I love staying in La La Land and I like to I think when you live in a country जहाँ इतनी you're surrounded by negativity.
You don't want to.
But one thing is good that they have announced an increase in pays. But why not university professors or why not teachers?
Teachers, because
बिल्कुल.
teachers is
And especially
it's
education,
not
which
inexcusable.
needs to be free.
Absolutely.
And वो जितना free होना चाहिए उतना दबा रहे.
नहीं और that's the starting point of anything.
Yeah.
Teachers, if you जो भी इसको देख रहे हैं, if you even remember, there are teachers have affected us.
Yes.
Miss Jamila.
Miss Jimmy, from everyone,
are important, but teachers will impart knowledge that you can't get
and they are
anywhere else, and it's so
underpaid
important.
in this country.
Yeah.
Very
I think वही ना कि overall हमने education को important नहीं
दिया.
समझा.
Exactly.
And I wonder if I'll have 20 seconds to finish this. But in Korea जब उनको उनकी आज़ादी मिली थी, whether it was north or south, I'm not sure. लेकिन one of the things they did was the highest paid profession was teaching.
Yeah.
Now look where it is now.